Okay, class, good morning once again. So, pre-Valentine's Day celebration ko na today. So, siyempre naman na kayo, no? Damo nagikilig ito sa ubos. Nag-receive na sa ilang mga flowers. No? Okay, so, before anything else, I would like to request if may mga basura dala sa inyong kilid. I-check nyo na, panaguhay na inyong mga basura. And, sino ang present today? I mean, ang absent. May eskwela na si Go. Ay, kumusta naman ka, Go? We missed you so much, Mr. Go. Okay. As usual, ang absent, paghihapon sila ni Philip. Anderson. Ang top 2. Okay, so let's move on. So, I request everyone to please stand for the prayer. So, God willing,
Yes, we are. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Good morning, Ma'am Jaya.
Good morning, class. Okay, everybody take your seats. So, today we're going to discuss the topics from statistics and probability. So, yun na kayo siya, class. No? Okay, so we have here our objectives. Okay, we're going to define a normal curve and its characteristics. We're going to construct a normal curve. And then we're going to explain the differences among regions under the normal curve corresponding to different standard normal values. Okay, so again, I want you to prepare your pencil or inyong mga ballpen. Okay, inyong protractor, if para may protractor, no, ruler and calculator, syempre ano naman yung phones, eraser, and of course your notebook. So, I am your mathematics teacher for this morning. O pasaylo ang picture. Ang grabe no? Kaya mo sa picture, the way simod, sobrang filter. Okay. So, there are 3 important things na nakapanihan nyo for this morning's class. So, everybody, I want you to listen. No? If nakasugat na mo sila topic, you must listen kay basi ma-refresh pa ba? Diba? Next, I want you to participate. We have series of activities this morning, so I want you to participate. Tapos, of course, para ta maka-learn. No? Okay. So our first activity, okay, we're going to do this within 5 minutes only. Okay. So yan daw ang mga ballpen. So, I have here test paper. You're going to answer this within 5 minutes only. Okay? So, ang direction is you're going to write ND, no? Meaning normal distribution. And NND, if it does not describe a characteristics of normal distribution. Okay? ND or NND. Understood? Okay. Pagsulti lang ako. Okay, mag-answer ka mo dira mismo. Right after the question, example number 1. The curve of the distribution is bell-shaped. Itapat lang ang answer.
pangula.
Okay? So, write your name sa pinakadulo, nagkamay dira nga space, or pwede dira lang sa may paper, after sa word ng paper ba? Before ang number 1. Okay, so, you may now start answering for 5 minutes. Okay, time check at 10:57, so magkuha tag 11:03. Okay, are you done? So yun na kayo class. No, kaya ito din chicken.
Sabi nag-i-take ang outfit mo. Okay, are you done? Okay. So again, let's check. Okay, let us check your work. So exchange your work with your seatmate. Kung wala kay seatmate sa imong likod. Okay. So, I want to volunteer for number 1. Okay, Dairisa. Number 1. Can you please read and paliw ko hatag si mong answer?
Okay, the curve of the distribution is a bell shape. Okay, that is correct. And D, normal distribution. Okay, palihog basa. Sige. Gang. What do you call this one? Dai, atong pinakagwapa ng muse. Palihog ko number 2, Dai. Okay, ang mean median mode equal ko ng class. Okay, that is still one of the characteristics of normal distribution. Okay. So, number 3. Please go read gang. Ari kita kay Mr. Go.
The normal curve gradually gets closer to 1. Or 0.1.
Okay, that is correct. N and D. No, dili kita siya mapalapit sa 0. No? Never kita na mapalapit sa 0. Okay, gradually lang. No, so step siya gradually but gets closer and closer to 0 on one side. No. Okay, number 4, the curve is symmetrical about the mean. What is your answer? And D. Number 5, the distance between two inflection points of the normal curve is equal to the value of the mean. Okay, N and D. Okay, that is not a characteristic of normal distribution. Okay, number 6, a normal distribution has a mean that is also equal to the standard deviation. Okay, that is N and D. Okay, number 7, the two parameters of the normal distribution are the mean and the standard deviation. Number 7 kita? N, D. Okay, ang duha ngayon ka parameter mean kag SD. Atong daw U ba? Atong daw U ang sign. Number 8, the normal curve can be described as asymptotic. Okay, the keyword there is asymptotic. And D. Number 9, two standard deviations away from the left and right of the mean. N and D, 68.3%. Okay, number 10, the area under the curve bounded by the x-axis is equal to 1. And D. Okay. Okay, pass your papers in front. Okay, pass the papers in front. Pilay highest na score? May naka-perfect? 9? Okay, 9. May naka-10. Very good. Okay. Okay, na 0. Okay. So, ako na sa atong lesson na atong sa himay-himayon. So, it simply means na may mga prior knowledge na ganito sini. Okay, dali nga. Okay, perfect score o 10. Kalabanan 9. O 10, gihapon mo. 7, 8, 9. Okay. Ano nga mabaiting ka? Okay. So, let's move on to the next activity. Okay, so we're going to have a group activity and you are going to do this within 10 minutes only. Okay. Ma'am, nakalisod, no? No. Okay, based sa inyong activity nga gibuhat, inyo itong dumdumon. No? Inyo itong dumdumon. Ito yung answer kanina ba? Because you're going to write your answers here on the piece of paper. Okay? So I'm going to group you into 4. So this must be group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. Okay? Sige. So group 1. Okay, kuha ka. Group 2. Okay, you choose a leader in your group. Okay, the group with the With the highest score will receive a prize. Okay. Yes, pwede mo magpundok. Okay, so this is the instruction. Okay, so for the upper part, you are going to list 5 kabuok properties of normal distribution. Tapos, state the empirical rule. And mag-drawing ka mo sa normal curve. Grabe na yun, ang katigo mo drawing ha, kasi mga pihing nila sa inyo mga normal curve ha. Okay. Kaya bawa ko katigo ka mo mag-drawing sina. Okay, so, your time starts, wait lang ha, check lang time. Okay, now, start na. Okay, ayang kuan. Ayang ganda. Just 5 properties. Yes. Plus, you can do research if you want. Kundan ko sa kaging, gagmayong galing nyo. 5 lang ka properties, 5. Kung nakadugtong ka sa mag-iang silang kalina, ano ito mga properties? Okay, you're going to explore. Ano mo, di ka mo ang pili na kung ano na normal curve yung drawing mo. Imanila mo ka ito. Okay, after that, you're going to post your activity on the board. Make sure na may naunahan lang ka mong mapangan sa inyo team. Maghimo ka mo sa pangan sa inyo team. Powerpuff Girls, Wonder Girls. Garna. Okay, few minutes left. Okay, so tinapon yung time is up. I-post na din ninyo yung answer na. Okay, 1 minute more. Okay, 1 minute more. Okay, finished or not finished? Okay, post your work on the board now. Again, finished or not finished? Ipapilit na inyong mga trabaho. Iubos na, ubos. Group 3. Ito yung group 3 na. Wala pang yung group 5, no? Okay, group 3. Okay. Okay, so kaya kang group 1. Okay, group 2. Ay naman ang group 2. Okay, gawin lang ng 4 gun para matangkil ang mga. Okay, go back to your seats. Kindly arrange your chairs. Okay. So, as we can see, kapaliw po, balik kami sa likuran. Okay, i-arrange ang mga grupo. Okay, class. So as we can see here, the group
4. Group 4 nino? Okay. We have here the group 1. Okay. Group 1. Okay, group 2. Okay, the normal distribution. Okay, state the empirical rule. For the empirical rule, group 2, group 3, you have the same, almost the same answer. Okay, group 1, kulang ang empirical rule. Group 2, 68%. O, pwede na ng numbers lang. Ang may pinaka-complete na sa empirical rule is group 2. Okay. Okay, nanong ka bungkod? Ha? Ano bungkod? Okay. Okay. Tingnan nila ang pagkakuan class no? Bell shape, symmetry, mean, median, Gaussian distribution. Pwede talaga siya. Okay? Then we also have here the curve is bell shape, check, symmetrical, mean, median, mode are equal. That is correct. Area under the curve is 1 and asymptotic. Huh? Asymptotic siya kaya naman it never touches the x-axis. So kung ang inyong drawing diri, nag-touch na siya sa x-axis, or wrong na siya. Diba? Nanamili kang prisuan sa manok? Ha? Go! Mother, go! Mr. Go, naganda siya. Oy, Ari, bulkan ngayon. Mga bukid-bukid. Okay, so normal distribution, correct niya po niya siya. Asymptotic, symmetry, means, and deviation of a standard deviation. O sa A. So 68%, 95%, 99.7%. Okay, so we will do the checking. Sino man ang may pinakadamok na correct answer? Okay. Ang sayop lang diri kay standard division. The division. Ang pikas naman, ano ba ni? Correct din ka na. Ay, may bungtod. Ay, kulang. Tapos, 68.3%, 95%. Okay, mas accurate ay ang grupo ni Go. Yes, because we have here 68.3, 95.4, 99.7. Okay, so we have the winner here, which is the team Go. Okay, can you please read the, what do you call this one, the definition of the Z table all together? Okay. The outermost column and row represents the p-values. The first 2 digits of the p-values are found in the leftmost column and the last digit, 100 place, is found on the first row. Okay, very good. Lamig kayo pagkabasa, no? Okay, so, nanong galing gisulti class, please refer on your Z table. Okay, sa inyong Z table, di ba, anong ganito pagbasa ang area class? Let's say we have a given of, example, ang atong given kay, okay, so suppose the z-score is equal to 1.85. Oh. Ano ganito nga itong tawon? The first 2 digit. Diba? Which is 1.8. Okay, di rin napangitaon sa iba or sa diri sa kilid? Ha? Diri sa kilid or diri sa ibaw? Ha? Diri? Okay, diri siya si 1.8 panitaon. Pangitaan dira. Positive, negative? Positive, very good. Now, ang 0.5 that becomes 0.5. Diba? 0.05.
Tapos atong sa abuton daw sama lang sa multiplication table. Kaghay na tutira ang nagdamog, amoy na ang iya area. Okay? So, sa inyo dira na refer, pila man class? Okay, that is 0.9678. Why na sa proceed na. Okay, we have here a problem. Find the proportion of the area between, okay, z is equal to negative 1.25, negative 1.25, and 2.19. This can be expressed as the probability notation. Nakabutang nila is negative 1.25. Tapos, z is greater than negative 1.25 but less than 2.19. Okay, so what we are going to do? Pangitaon taong duha. Okay, pangitaan si negative 1.25 o si 2.19. Pila? 0.1056. Ang 2.19? Pila dahil pila? 0.9857. Ano na? Okay, what is the next thing that we're going to do? Aton subtract din man. Hay manahon-ahon. Okay, diri. Unahon nato din siya, isubtract ang ari sa ibaw. Okay, pila man ang result? Okay, 0.9857 you calculate minus 0.1056. What is your answer? Pila? 11? Sure ka? Okay, 0.8801. Ano na? Okay, sa 0.8801, i-convert siya natin sa nano gani class? I-convert natin sa? I-convert natin siya sa nano gani? Percent. Oh, kapila kita matras? Kaduha. So that becomes 1, 2, and that becomes 88.01%. Okay. So proceed kita. Sino ang katiko mo drawing sa iya sini bungtod-bungtod? Normal curve. Ha? Ma'am, amo ka na naman malabutan ini bukid-bukid. Kinahanglan kita nila perfect on? Ibisal kita. Automato lang, di pa kayo papurma. Okay. So, pila ganito? Ang aton three class? Negative 1.25 and we have 2.19. Okay, who can draw? Ha? Nano ka dito? 0. 1, 2, 3. Positive ganan. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay. Negative 1.25 to the left or to the right? Okay, to the left. Okay. Negative 1, dala diri ang 0.25. Oh, dala. Assuming na nahan. Okay, next. 2.19. To the left or to the right? Okay, 2.19. Gamay, nalagay na siya. Wala na nakabot siyang 1/4. Tapos, we will shade this. So, kani din nga shaded area is 88.01%. Very good. Okay. So, let's proceed with, let's proceed with the z-score. Okay. Again, can you please read with the z-score? Okay, so we have here the
formula. Given a normal random variable x with the mean and standard deviation, so each value of x, aton siya, tagsa-tagsaon. Iyak ka ha? Okay. So, the z-score, ano gani ang next class? That is the observed value minus the mean. Ano ang mean? Over the standard deviation. Ang mula ganda siya ka-simple. If you have the value, ato lang siya i-substitute. Okay. So, we have here an example. A random variable x has a mean of 6 and a standard deviation of 2. Oh. Find the corresponding z-score for x kuno is 11. Okay, aton siya i-solve. Pila ang x? 11. Pila ang mean? 6. Okay, 6. Pila ang standard deviation? 2. Okay, 2. Can we solve this? Can we have a volunteer? Yes, Teka. Dali ka. I-substitute lang man. Okay. Sa'yo din na doon. I-substitute. Ano naman? Ato naman siya na nabungkag. Pila ang x? Minus 6. Oh. 11 minus 6. Ako gagawin equal, ha? Then 2. So, 2.5. Kung ano siya talaga, ang kalagpag niya, let of numbers. So, our z-score is 2.5. Nga na lang siya, class. Diba? Sa'yo, Lison. Sa'yo. Okay, proceed ka. If ang given is z is equal to 20 ang x, diba gibutang na? Ang u naton kay? Okay, 12. Ang aton standard deviation kay 3. So, z is equal to 20 minus 12? 8 over 3. Pila man na siya kung aton i-compute? 8 divided by 3. 2 point? 2 point? O, i-calculate ko nung inyo, pila? 2.6 na, na nung katapat yung 6. O, 2.6666 mo na. Bali, 2.67. Okay? So, nasabtan na? Nasabtan na? Okay. So, I want you to, sino man ang katigo sinibig? How will you locate the area in the Z table? Paano man ninyo ma-locate? Sige gang, Angel. Gano'n yung pag-locate ang area gang? Sa kato ba sa Z table? 1.85. Gano'n yung pag-locate ang area? Ha? Yes gang. Sige. Okay, very good. Hindi ko na tanan pag-locate? Kung hakin gani ang, diba sa kilid, equal lang tawag buwag kalagin siya. Okay? Nasabtan na class? Okay, we will proceed with our evaluation. Okay? So we're going to answer this in a one-half crosswise. Okay, answer directly.